Okay, shh, here we go. Let's take a look at these two. We pick up with example 4. Okay, we're not going to write the notes above that, but we would like to see if we can make a little bit of progress because we want to save some time on Monday. That's going to cut into our time a little bit. Okay, so we've talked about this quadratic. So we factor it. What does it factor to? X plus 4, x minus 2. Great. So I'm a fan of the graphing option if I know what the graph looks like. Okay. So I would like to look at this guy. What numbers do I plot on the graph? -4, and I plot positive 2. Excellent. Will this parabola go up or will this parabola go down? Definitely up. Okay, it's a positive x squared. So, am I wondering where the parabola is above or am I wondering where it's below? I'm wondering where it's below. Because it says, where is it less than 0? That's the part you have to focus on. Where is it less than 0? And it's less than 0 right here. From -4 to positive 2. Hopefully that's starting to click a little bit. I don't like the fact that there's a negative on the next one because I don't like to factor a negative. So I actually, truth be told, I take most of my parabolas and I make most of them positive right away. How can I make this positive? Yeah, divide by a -1, and when I do, I get 2x squared minus 7x plus 5 greater than or equal to 0. So it switches, doesn't it? And does that inequality matter? Yeah, it really does. Let's see if we can factor this. What do you think? Yep, that works. So what's this solution? And this one? So I'll make my graph. I plot 1. I plot 5 halves because that's 2.5, so it's going to go further to the right. Does this parabola go right side up or upside down? So you look at it from where you factored it, okay? Not at the beginning. Remember, we multiplied through by a negative and changed the problem, okay? So now we're dealing with this guy. We got rid of this thing altogether. Okay? So this goes up. Because this is what we're working with. Better? Okay, so it goes up. Are we wondering where it's above or where it's below? We're wondering where it's above because we see the greater than sign. Good job. You guys are doing great. So is this going to be a union or is it going to be just a one together thing? It's going to be a union. We're going to have negative infinity to 1. Bracket. Way to go, dog. Sweet. If we could get through letter C, we'll be better off for Monday. We've got just a couple minutes here. What's different about letter C? Do you know what the graph looks like? We don't know what the graph looks like. When you don't know what the graph looks like, you must make a number line. Watch me go. Anybody want to guess what numbers I put on the number line?
2, 4, and -3.
I plot -3. I plot 2.
0. Don't forget 0.
And I plot 4.
0.
And the best way to work through this is actually to just make a table. Okay? And it works really, really well. Your table has rows and columns. Do people know the difference between rows and columns? Rows are across, columns are up and down. We have 3 numbers up here, right? So you're going to have one more column. You're going to have a total of 4 because it's going to go like that. One more column. than the numbers you have. The rows will be the same as however many numbers you have up there. We take our factors and we put them right on the side. And we begin to test. Patty, what's a number to the left of -3 you'd like to plug in? -4 minus 2, positive or negative? Negative. -4 minus 4. Negative. -4 plus 3. Do 3 negatives make a positive or a negative? So we just determined that this area up here will produce a negative. We're going to be out of time, but that's where we'll pick up on Monday. We'll probably have to extend this into Tuesday as well. The only homework you have for the weekend is to finish up that first worksheet. Enjoy a light weekend on Mr. Gentz. Let's go. Go out and support your local Tigers.
Shall not be a light weekend because my other teacher.
Yeah, for real. Hashtag blank.
Say, well, you can be
Hashtag for Wednesday.
That